Hello, people in the world. This is the giant papaya in our place. You can find this in Bungabon,
Lusok ha?
Losok, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija.
Philippines,
And,
Philippines.
Philippines, of course. And so far, this is the biggest or the giant papaya in the world.
Dito, dito.
How many inches?
Dito. Ayun.
Sige.
If you need the seedlings of this papaya tree, contact Mr. O Pastor George de la Cruz. Cell number. Cell number mo?
0927-845-9437.
Can you repeat, sir? Repeat, sir.
0927-845-9437.
Okay.
Ay, paano kung tanilagay ng kuwan ito doon sa yung taga Mexico?
Oo.
Anta kuwan?
Pasok mo sa YouTube. Pasok.
Oo. Sukatin nyo, sir. Sukatin nyo ganyan, yan. Hindi,
Dapat may tag-pero ka,
tag lang, ganyan.
Yan.
Yan.
Palm na. Ano ba yan?
Oh. 1 foot.
1 foot.
More than 1 foot. This is a more than 1 foot papaya. It was considered as the giant papaya
In the world.
in the world. Just contact Pastor
That
George
we-
and
that,
Pastor Alan.
Ever heard.
Okay. Just contact them and you can see this only in the Philippines. Only in the Philippines. Baralan. And just contact us, Pastor George, Pastor Alan, and Pastor Joe. Yeah.